Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to fix Viber not sending messages error. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you're trying to send a message on Viber but it is not letting you do that, then there might be several reasons for that to happen. The most common reason is maybe you are not connected to an internet server. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and try connecting to Viber now. Once you have a strong internet connection, you'll be able to send your message just fine with Viber. If that works for you, then that's great, but if it does not, then the next thing to do is to go ahead and update to the latest version of Viber. Tap open your Play Store, and to check if your Viber is updated to the latest version, tap on the search button at the top and type in Viber in the search box and make a search. If you see an open button popping up right next to Viber, then that means your application is up to date. There's no need to update your application for now. Simply tap on the open button to launch your app open and just get on with sending your text message on Viber. If you see an update button popping up right next to it, tap on update and update to the latest version of Viber and open up your Viber application one more time to see if your problem has been fixed or not. If that works for you, then that's great, but if it does not yet, the next thing to do is to restart your Android device. Press the power button and tap on the restart button in order to restart the system. Go back to Viber one more time after you are done with it and see if that fixed your issue. The next thing to try out is to clear out your Viber cache data. Sometimes because of the piling up cache data on your Viber application, you won't be able to send your text message like you used to. So in that case, tap open your settings from your Android device and from the settings menu, go and tap on apps. Search for Viber from the list of the apps that has been installed on your Android, and once you spot it, tap it on. In the app info page, you'll be able to see several options beneath. Simply tap on the storage button and tap the clear cache button at the lower right hand corner. This will remove all of the cache data that has been piled up on your Viber application. Right beside it, tap the clear data button and in the pop-up select OK. Remember that clearing your data will remove all of the files, settings, accounts and databases information from the application. Make sure you know all of the credentials that will be used on your Viber application while logging into your account, since you'll be wiping out all of the data in it. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to Viber app from your app drawer. Tap it on. Sign into your Viber one more time by tapping on Start Now. Type in your phone number after selecting your country code and tap on the Continue button. Confirm that the phone number that you've typed in is correct by tapping on Yes. Allow Viber to access to your contact by tapping on Allow. Similarly, allow access for your phone call logs as well. Wait until the Viber gets activated, and soon after it does, simply go ahead and try sending that text message one more time. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you're not being able to send your text message on Viber like you were supposed to. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.